In this guide, I'm going to show you the fastest sword progression path here in Sailor Peace on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, assuming that you're just starting the game, you're going to be on Starter Island, you want to go ahead and get yourself the base katana right here. It's not too expensive. You can get the money just by completing this quest over and over and over again. Once you have the money and it's only 2.5k, get the katana and then go ahead and progress through the game a little bit further, and you're going to want to move on to Snow Island. Now, once you're at Snow Island, you can actually get the Dark Blade from Snow Island. This one, once again, is not too much, so go ahead and purchase that. It'll pop up in your inventory as well where you can activate it. That's the next major step. Continue progressing through the game a little bit and you're going to end up on Shibuya Station. And once you're at Shibuya Station, if you just make your way kind of towards the middle right here, you can get yourself the Gryphon right here. This is the next upgrade. This is your first strong early game sword. From here, you need to farm a boss called Excalibur. This is going to be on Boss Island, so go ahead and teleport here and just keep farming the Excalibur boss over and over and over again. Is the chance to drop the sword itself, or what you can also do is get it from these boss exchange using boss tickets right here. After that, head to Hollow Island, and you need to farm for the Manipulator Sword. The Manipulator Sword is really OP. You can upgrade it to True Manipulator for even better boost as well. After you do that, you want to go ahead and make your way over to Dungeon Island and get the Shadow Monarch Sword next. So go ahead and go to Shadow Monarch Sword, run the Sid Dungeon or the Shadow Dungeon in here, mainly the Sid Dungeon because it's the same thing. And then essentially go up here and you can get the Shadow Sword by getting all these requirements right here. Then farm Frost Relics and summon the Ice Queen boss on Boss Island, again using the same boss summoner to get the Ice Queen sword. And then finally, you can choose between Anti-Magic from Crystal Defense or Dragon Goddess from Sea Beast in C2. But that is the full progression path for swords here in Sailor Peace on Roblox. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.